Now that we have our live session recording button, we're going to create a module and a page to link this button to. We're also going to put that link in the calendar. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your modules. We're going to add a new module just to keep it organized. Add module. Let's call it recordings. Add module. It's going to add it to the bottom, so I'm going to scroll all the way down. Here's my recordings module, and I'm going to add a page to it. So you have to go up to these arrows. We're going to go down to page. We're going to click new page. We're going to call it live session recordings and add item. All you can do right there is just add it. We're going to have to edit it by clicking on the page we just created. So let's click on LS recordings. Now we're going to edit this page. You're just going to add your title. And then however you want to organize it, you can. What I did was put the date first, and I put orientation for the first one. You have to indent up here. If you hit tab, it'll go down to something else. Then you're going to add a brief description, discussed, blah, 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 chapter 1, etc. And then we're going to come back and link this 814 orientation. We're going to link that to the actual recording. Everything else will be linked to this page, and this is where it will bring you. So let's go ahead and save it. So now that we have it saved, we'll go to modules, scroll down, make sure it's there. We're going to secondary click on LS recordings, copy link address. Now we're going to go back to the home page so we can add it to our button. Once we're back on our home page, we're going to click edit. Then you're going to scroll down and click on the button you want to add the link to. Once you've selected it, you're going to click link to URL. You're going to paste your link in there, update link. And after you save it, this live session recordings, after we've saved it, if we go ahead and click on it, this is the one we created, so we're going to click on it, and it's going to bring us directly to that page that we just created in the module. You can then add all of your other live session recordings to this page so that when the students click on that, they can see them all. When you go to the calendar, you're also going to want to add a link to this page. So once you're on your calendar, you're going to go to one of your agendas that has a live session in it, or if you don't have agendas, if you just have one assignment, the live session, you're going to want to put this somewhere in the assignment. So I'm going to click on the one from 814, which was the orientation. If you click on the title up here, it'll let you edit. So it says today we'll have a virtual orientation instead of our weekly live session. So underneath that, I'm going to edit it and put something that lets them know they can view the recording. Then I'm going to take that text that I just typed, and I'm going to hit link to URL. And I'm going to paste that same link that I just pasted. That'll bring them to the whole page of recordings. So every time I do a live session, I'm going to put that either on the event, if you're just creating an event for a live session, or in the assignment, so that when they see it, they can click on here even before you do it, and it'll bring them to all the old live session recordings. When you click on this, let's make sure it works. We're going to click on it, and it should bring us back to the page of recording. The final thing we're going to do is we need to link this 814 orientation to our actual recording. Sarah also sent a video on this, but I'm just going to go ahead and do it here also. So we're going to go to our live sessions. Underneath where your meeting is listed, it says recordings. So you click on recordings. This top one, orientation 814, is the one I'm looking at. If it has a locked padlock by it, you're going to click actions, share. And here you're going to change it from private to public. We can also get our link right here. So I'm going to go ahead and Command-C, copy that link and hit save. You can also secondary click on here and copy link address. So now that I have my recording saved, I'm going to go back to my modules. Then I'm going to go down to the module that I just created with live session recordings. We're going to click on that live session recording page. Click Edit. Highlight your title or whatever you want to link it to. Link to URL. Paste it. Insert link. Save. So now, from home, this is how the kids will navigate to get to the live session recordings. So they'll go to the button that says live session recordings. When they click on it, it will bring them to your page. They can click on whichever recording they want. When they click on the actual recording, then it will open up the Adobe recording so that they can watch it.